Welcome back. It's a new decade, so don't be afraid to be a beginner. Fitness goals have to start somewhere, and fitness motivator Terri Allen is here to show us how we can work out at home and apparently get into noodle war too. Okay, so one of the first things that you were talking about, if we want to track our steps, you use a pedometer.
Absolutely, yes. Those are great ways to get started, pedometer or what we call now a smartwatch, but something to track your steps, your blood pressure, things of that nature. I always start with that. You know how many steps you're supposed to get every day?
Well, I know what it is, and I know what I actually get, which is way, way too few.
But
like literally half of what I should.
Right, you should get about 10,000 steps per day, and you can do that by just walking around your home. If you're afraid to start at the gym or intimidated by the gym, but you got to get active, a great way to do that is you can walk around your house. If you have steps, go up and down the steps. Take the time, 20 to 30 minutes, and just do some walking around your house.
And start in the back of the parking lot instead, right? You know, instead of taking that close
somewhere,
spot.
you want to park far away in a parking space. That's another way to get your steps in. But there are several ways to get your steps other than going to the gym. That may be intimidating for some people.
Yeah, and you brought this amazing pull-up device.
Yes.
It looks like quite the contraption here.
It does,
Yeah.
it does. And this can be intimidating as well. This is portable, it breaks down, but this is my pull-up bar. And it's a great way for beginners to, pull-ups are very challenging.
They are. I cannot do a pull-up. I can do a lot of arm exercises.
I can do maybe 3 or 4. But this way you can start on your own.
Wow.
And there's 2 ways. So you can bring your hips up. She's doing the advanced way, but you can always leave your hips on the ground and just start with your upper body and pull that in. Pull that up. There you go. And so you're still working
biceps. We've got a couple different
you're
movements.
Still working yes, you're still working your arm movements. You can see how her biceps are engaging.
Yeah, and then with the first way, that's also like engaging your legs, your core, everything like that.
Correct. So you always want to keep your feet placed on the ground and just pull your body up. But this is a way that you can start at home, strengthening doing pull-ups.
Okay, she just won Tuesday. I mean, doing that. But let's talk this pool noodle, right? Because this is like captivated all of our attention. Apparently, it's not for hitting each other, but
the pool noodle. There are lots of exercises you can do with the pool noodle. So you can work your shoulders with, a lateral shoulder raise.
Okay.
Do your shoulder, and so there, you see all that? You're engaging your shoulders. So you
I'm getting swole. Just right here with the pool
working
noodle.
At the Tina Turner arms, the Angela Bassett shoulders. You can do it with
the Terri Allen arms, yeah.
Not me. And then you can go straight up over your head. But these are great ways. And again, something easy as a pool noodle. You grab it from your kids out at the pool and cut it in half, and now you got workout equipment.
Okay, and we're moving on to the water jugs, it looks like, too.
Fancy equipment you have here, water jugs. So you can use these as well for toning your arms, bicep curls, hammer curls. There's a lot you can do with these. What's great about the water jugs, if this is too heavy, you can always pour some water out and customize it. Look at this. We're customizing workout equipment right at your own. This is custom dumbbells right there.
Yeah, and if you get thirsty, you got the water right there.
You can always take a drink.
We're ready for that. And then we could also use, I guess, like the little tiny cans if that were something.
Absolutely. You want to get something organic, of course, and you can go with your cans.
See, I love it. And then you've got lunch with you, ready to go. This is like more for the at-work workout. We can drink our water. We can do that.
Right. I just don't want people to be intimidated and have other ways that they can work out, because a lot of times you can set a goal and then get kind of intimidated by the goal and are afraid to be a beginner. So with these exercises, never be afraid to be a beginner. Anybody can be a beginner, any age, and it just starts out at home.
Well, Terri, thank you for being here, for motivating us, and for bringing this noodle here. Bill?